Okay, this is our PLA disposable soup bowl. One problem with the PLA material is that it cannot resist high temperature. But we have conquered this problem. Today we're going to show that it can stand 100-degree boiling water. Okay, 97, 99, 100. Okay. Let's see if it can hold the boiling water without changing shape. You see? It's still in shape. Wow, a little soft in the bottom. No smell. Good. With the plastic ones, you will have a bad smell, and that's not good for health. But PLA is a healthy and environment-friendly material. So I hope you guys like it.